Finally, we have specification number 12, which states that ionizing radiation and some chemicals can increase the rate of mutation. Mutations normally occur spontaneously, but their frequency can increase when organisms are exposed to mutagens. Mutagens are factors that increase the chance of changes in DNA. One important group of mutagens is ionizing radiation. This includes X-rays, gamma rays, and ultraviolet, UV, radiation from sunlight. These types of radiation can damage DNA and increase the rate at which mutations occur. Even repeated exposure to low doses can be harmful. UV radiation is especially significant because it can damage skin cells and may lead to skin cancer, particularly in individuals with lighter skin. Another source of mutagens is certain chemicals. Some chemicals, such as tar found in tobacco smoke, can interfere with DNA structure. These substances may damage genetic material and disrupt normal cell division, which can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and cancer. Although most mutations are harmful, some can be beneficial. Mutations are an important source of genetic variation and play a key role in evolution and natural selection. For example, in bacteria, a mutation may produce resistance to antibiotics. These resistant bacteria survive treatment and reproduce, passing the resistance gene to their offspring. Over time, this can lead to an increase in antibiotic-resistant bacteria in the population. In this diagram, we can see different factors that can cause mutations by damaging DNA. One major source is radiation. UV radiation from natural sunlight and tanning beds can harm DNA and increase mutation rates. X-rays, which are used in medical scans, dental imaging, and airport security, can also cause genetic damage if exposure is too frequent or high. Chemicals are another important cause. Cigarette smoke contains many mutagenic substances that can alter DNA. Nitrate and nitrite preservatives found in processed meats like hot dogs can also increase mutation risk. Some acne treatments contain chemicals such as benzoyl peroxide, which can also affect cells. In addition, cooking methods like barbecuing can produce mutagenic chemicals in food due to high heat. Infectious agents can also contribute to mutations. For example, human papillomavirus, HPV, a sexually transmitted virus, can interfere with normal cell function. Similarly, Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium spread through contaminated food, can damage cells and increase the risk of mutations. Overall, all these factors increase the chances of DNA changes, which can lead to mutations. The image shows how certain environmental factors can lead to cancer by damaging the DNA inside cells. Radiation exposure, represented by wavy lines, can alter or damage the DNA within a cell. When this genetic material is damaged, normal control of cell division is disrupted. As a result, the affected cell may become a cancer cell, meaning it begins to divide in an uncontrolled way without following normal growth limits. Over time, these rapidly dividing cancer cells continue to multiply, forming a mass of abnormal cells known as a tumor. So that brings us to the end of Unit 17.3 on inheritance, covered in detail. Make sure to go through the topical notes provided below for revision, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching.